Hey guys, welcome back. So today I want to share with you some new PR I got from Born Pretty. I got their magnetic Moonlight cat eye gels and their metal painting gel. So I got 4 of them. These are sold separately on their website. This one is a beautiful, like, cool toned bronze. These are absolutely gorgeous, neutral toned cat eye gels, and I can't wait to show them to you guys on the swatches and stuff, because if you're a neutral girl but you love cat eye gels, these are absolutely beautiful. That's more of a real bronze color. This one is a rosy tone, which I absolutely love. I end up using this one, and I use the next one as well, which is also like a pinky rosy tone. So these are just really pretty. They're super smooth. These are sold separately on their website, like I said. I believe they're $5.99 each. And then this Super Shine Silver Metal Painting Gel you can also get for $3.99. I was so excited to check this out. It is definitely more metallic than my other silver paint pot, like so much more metallic. This is like liquid mercury, guys. I made a little mess, but that's okay. We will live. I always struggle opening these kinds of containers, so yes, watch me struggle here for a minute. Look at how absolutely amazing that is. It's on the thinner side, but it is so beautiful. I am in love and obsessed with this. Look at that. It's like liquid mercury. I'm so excited to try this out on a nail set. Like, I can't even explain to you. So beautiful. So pleased with these. I am in love with those 4 colors. So I decided to go with the Après Gel X Alex Neutrals. These are the natural long stilettos. I will link them down below. They're available on Amazon. I really like these nails. I like them because I already have that base color, so I don't have to do any work really, and it goes good with the colors that I was sent. So I already buffed those up, so they're all ready to go. And here are the swatch sticks. I have number 1, 3, 4, and 5 in case you're interested in getting the exact ones that I have. Look at how beautiful. The magnetic pigments work so good, so easy, and these are totally wearable, beautiful colors that it looks like velvet. I'm in love. So I'm going to use 4 and 5. Number 4 and 5. So I already put my nails on the stand here. Like you can see, we're all buffed up. I'm not going to use a base coat because I buffed them up really well, so I don't need to. And I'm just going to start with my colors. I end up doing 2 coats on each nail just to get like more pigment. I do use the magnet on both coats, so I just wanted like as much shift as possible, and that is what I got. So these are so smooth. As usual, Born Pretty has such beautiful products. What's your favorite thing you've tried by Born Pretty before? Definitely let me know down below, because I definitely want to try more. And I don't know if I said, but these are 10 ml bottles. So I'm just gonna grab my magnet, which I broke, and I'm just kind of like freestyling, messing around here. I'm not claiming that I'm the best at cat eye gels or anything at all, so I'm just showing you how it moves. It's very easy to get all different kinds of looks with this. And if I sound a little weird, I'm sorry. I do have a little cold, so my throat is kind of killing me right now. But I wanted to do this voiceover and get this video out as soon as possible because I'm really excited about these gels. They're so pretty. Like, I'm obsessed with cat eye gels lately. Like I said, I'm not like a master at them. I definitely need more practice. I definitely want to figure out how to do the heart thing, but that was not happening at this point. So, yes. Has anyone tried the Appraise natural nails? I have the Alex, which is these, and the Mia ones, which are more like a purpley toned neutral shade. I absolutely love them. It's just like saves you so much time. So let me know if you've tried any of the other colors and anything like that. What's your favorite shape? Do you like Après? Do you like Temu nails better? Let me know, because I'm interested. I'm sure they have probably some dupes of these on Temu, but the 150 pack of these right now on Amazon is like $20.99, I believe. I'll link it down below, like I said. So now I'm just taking this round magnet and just messing around again until I'm happy with it, and then I'm curing them in between for like 30 seconds, and I do a second coat, like I said. Look how velvety these look. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with this. I can't wait to use these again for like a gel X set. So I attempt to dip in with a dotting tool, but that doesn't work. So just grab yourself like a random brush, any brush. I start out thin, but then I realize I'm just going to pretty much go wild with no plan at all, and I really like how it turns out. So yeah, I'm just taking some and making some random lines and stuff, and then I'm adding more as I see fit and just kind of swirling around, not being too neat, because I think this look looks really good when you're not being so precise, because I am going to pretty much fill the entire nail with some of the metal painting gel, like in lines and stuff, and then I add some dots as well, which you'll see. look at how shiny this metal gel is. I'm obsessed. My other one is not this metallic at all. I thought it was metallic, but now that I used this, I'm like blown away. So I'm just going to top coat these now and cure them for 60 seconds. I kind of messed up a tiny bit, and I should have cured the thumb a little bit more than I did because I used kind of a thick layer of the gel. That was my first one where I was kind of just playing around before I got the hang of it. So just make sure that you cure very well if you use a lot of the gel, obviously. And I'm just taking some natural pink rhinestones from my big like Temu pre-made set of rhinestones, and I'm just sporadically adding some to each nail. I somehow managed to not film me doing the thumb, but the thumb has the most, which you'll see after this, and I'm just putting like 1 or 2 on each nail just to kind of spice it up a little bit. But I think these turned out so cute. I hope you guys liked them, and let me know if you're going to check out any of these products because I want to know. And I can't wait to use this stuff again, like really soon. They're so pretty. And if you're still here watching this, why don't you comment me down below a diamond emoji so I know that you are here. And after I finish top coating and placing my rhinestones in, I am going to do a 60-second cure for the top coat, and we're going to be all done. I hope you guys enjoyed these as much as I did. I couldn't wait to share these products with you because I'm just so obsessed with them. These might be my favorite gels I've gotten from Born Pretty yet, and that metallic gel, oh my god, like chef's kiss. It is perfection. It couldn't get any better. So here they are. I absolutely love them. The thumb is definitely my least favorite, but that was where I started. So, you know, you always get better as you go. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.